Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iCloud login issues. Authentication error solutions step by step clearly. First, confirm you are typing the correct Apple ID email and password with no extra spaces. If you forgot your password, go to I Forgot, Apple.com and reset it using the on-screen instructions. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off to refresh the connection. Check Apple system status at apple.com/support/system status to see if iCloud is down. Restart your device completely and try signing in again after it boots up. Set date and time to automatic in settings so the device time matches Apple servers. Update your device to the latest iOS, iPadOS, or macOS version available. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily and retry the iCloud login. Go to Settings and confirm your Apple ID region and language settings look correct. If you see a verification code request, approve it on your trusted device or phone number. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your name, and check if any Apple ID alerts appear. Sign out of iCloud if possible. Restart the device. Then sign back in carefully. If sign out is blocked, remove the account from settings and add it back again. On iPhone or iPad, reset network settings and settings. Then reconnect to Wi-Fi. Check if your storage is full and free some space because low storage can cause sign-in problems. Ensure screen time or restrictions are not blocking account changes on the device. If you use a managed device, confirm there is no MDM profile preventing Apple ID sign-in. Try signing in using a different network, like another Wi-Fi, to rule out router issues. On your router, restart it and wait until the internet connection is fully restored. If you get an authentication failed message, remove saved passwords and retype them manually. On Mac, open System Settings, go to Apple ID, and try signing out and back in. On Mac, clear keychain issues by opening Keychain Access and checking for Apple ID login errors. If you recently changed your Apple ID password, update it on all devices using that Apple ID. If you use two-factor authentication, confirm your trusted phone number is active and reachable. If your account is locked for security, unlock it at I Forgot, Apple.com and follow the prompts. Try logging into iCloud.com in a browser to confirm the account works outside the device. If nothing works, contact Apple support with the exact error message and your device details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.